Good morning everyone! So today is Monday and nanday ko yung sundo ko kasi hindi ako marunong mag-drive. Tambay lang dyan. Today is Monday and this is your MJ today. Please help me to reach 100,000k subscribers. Konting-konti na lang talaga. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung Monday routine ko. Yung a day in my life o tuwing Monday. So ayan, ka-yellow tayo since kasi requested ngayon na susuot daw ng yellow. If you're new here to my channel, yes, this is MJ. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to update kasi mga ko in Thailand. Ayan. And this is nirentahan namin bahay. Ayan. Look at that. That's 10,000. Na bumili kami ng sasakyan. Hindi naman ako marunong mag-drive. Pero kasi si Mel nag-drive. Sinusundo lang ako every afternoon. Gumising talaga tayo ng maaga guys para mag-vlog. Ito minsan, medyo late tayo, no? Late tayo magising. Kaya kasi ito talaga akong morning person. Pero tinatry natin yung best natin naman gumising ng maaga. Ayan guys, so welcome to my a day in my life as a teacher in Thailand. Ayan, 7:10 na in the morning, wala pa rin si kuya kasi nagpapasundo lang ako tuwing morning. 40 baht yan siya from dito going to my school. Nagabit bahay namin, no? Ayan. Hello! Next artista! Hello, Ragnar! Nagabit bahay namin siya. Kasama ko sa trabaho. Yan lang yung bahay niya. Dito kami. Ayan, nasundo ko si kuya. Pwede hap. I will like. So, pwede tayo ng school. Ayan. Motor na ako every morning. 40 baht. Hindi ako yung sakay ng motor na ito kasi bilis talaga sila guys. Pag may helmet ka, hindi mo na lang. Kasi ako malapit lang kasi naman.
Please try again. Thank you.
Lalaban naman tayo sa gera. Ayan. Naglalakad papuntang classroom. Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Jessica. The very one. My name is Naomi. I am 6 years old.
Wow. Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl?
A boy.
A boy. T.
Tiger.
Tiger.
T.
T.
Table.
Table.
T.
T.
Telephone.
Telephone. Okay. Wow. So this time guys, nag-activity na kami about T and letter U. Color lang. So in Thailand, ang kinder ay tinatawag na anuban. Bye! Tinawag ko ng estudyante ko. Ayan. So meron silang separate na gate dito sa kinder. Ayan. And so kinder tayo first period every day. Every day yan siya, Mondays to Fridays talaga. May dala lang akong buzzer and may scoreboard ako. Ayan, para syempre sa kinder, kailangan mo na talaga na may kapalit. Magiging tahimik, no? Para maging tahimik sila. Oh, close pala yung gate dito. So, second class ko afternoon pa. 12:30 to 2:30 pa yung second class ko mamaya. Oh, hello again everyone. Still may vacant time. So, sa morning, every Monday, isa lang yung klase ko. And then sa afternoon, dalawa. So, ayan. So, since free time ko lumabas ako guys, bumili na ako ng saging. Sila ako pag Monday, pag Tuesday medyo 4, then straight kasi sa morning, sa afternoon, sa Tuesday ko isa lang. Kaya medyo hingala ko pag Tuesday morning. So start na ng aking afternoon class. Dito na ako sa Pratum 2. Ayan, IEP, Intensive English Program 2/3. Okay, today is Monday. It's our what subject? Shine on or phonics?
Good afternoon to you, my teacher dear. Good afternoon to all my classmates here.
I like water. I don't like water. water. Finish?
Yes!
Next! I like or I don't like. Ayan, so that's the end of our vlog for today, guys. Ayan, medyo pan tayo. Ayan, medyo pawis tayo kasi medyo mainit pa dito sa Thailand. Kasi mag-summer na. And that's the end of our vlog for today, guys. A day in my life as of course, a teacher dito sa Thailand. Ayan, so see you again to my next vlog. Bye!